Hello students, how are you? I wish all of you will be healthy and safe. So I welcome to all the students after a long break. So let's start to the topic. In the session 3, okay, we will learn about styles and templates. Okay, so what is a style? So style is a predefined combination of font style, color and size of text. Means in a style you will have different color, different font style and different size of the text. Okay, or so MS Word provide a large collection of styles. Okay. So how can we apply a style? It's very simple. First of all, select your text. Okay, so in home tab you can see the style group. Okay, so here a large collection of styles is available. So click on this arrow now. Hover the mouse button. Okay, this is the hovering of, not clicking. Okay, simple. Keep your pointer over the style. Okay, so now you can see the preview of the style. Okay, so which style is appropriate for you, so click on that particular style. So this style is applied to the selected text. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, next one is modifying a style. If you want to modify a style, it's very simple. Suppose if you want to modify this style, okay, so right click on it. Now click on modify. Here you can change the name, change the style based on, change the style for the following. There are various options are available. You can choose according to your requirement. Okay, now you can change the font style also. You can apply border, italic, underline also. Okay, you can change the color. Okay, now I am changing the color only. Okay, now I want to apply this color. Okay, okay, and now you can see I have a different. Okay, and you can see the color is color of style is changed. Okay, it's very simple. Now next one is how to create a new style. It's very simple. Okay, so in home tab, in style group, click on this arrow. Okay, now sorry. Okay, what you have to do, click on this arrow. Okay, click on this arrow. Now you can see the new style tab. Okay, click on this. Okay, now write down your style name. For example, I am using RL. Name of my style is RLVM. Style type paragraph based on normal. Okay, style of the following paragraph, I think heading 1 level. Okay, font style this, and font size is appropriate. Now make it italic and color should be okay blue. Okay, now okay, you can see the name of the style RLVM. Okay, now you can apply this font this style to in text. Click on it. Now in this way you can create your own style. Okay, all of you got it. Okay, I hope all of you got it. Okay, let's move to the another topic, that is document templates. First of all, you should know what is template. The templates are predefined sets of formats using which the documents like faxes, memos, legal documents can be created quickly. टेम्पलेट प्री डिफाइंड सेट्स ऑफ फॉर्मेट। इसका मतलब है कि आपने अपने डॉक्यूमेंट का फॉर्मेट पहले से ही बना के रख लिया है, तैयार कर लिया है। जैसे हमारी कोई मीमोज होती हैं या बिल बुक होती है, ओके, इन विच वी हैव द प्री डिफाइंड सेट ऑफ फॉर्मेट्स। ओके, लेट्स टेक एन अनदर एग्जांपल। सपोज whenever you fill a form, you focus on entries or designing the form. Obviously you focus on entry, not designing the form. Each time you never design the form. Okay, so this is the template. Using template, first of all you will design your form and the focus will be on entry to enter the data. Okay, so let's understand how to create the template. There are two ways to create a template. First, creating blank template means here you have nothing, you have to create everything yourself. Okay, and the second one is creating template using existing template or installed template, but here you will have something in the template and you will modify that template. Okay, So one by one we will learn both these methods to create the template. Okay, so let's revise. What are the steps? First of all, you will click on File tab. Okay, let's do it practically. What you will do? First of all, minimize this file. I will create the new another file. Okay, new. Now there are two ways. Okay, first of all, click on blank document and create. So here you will design your form. For example, for example, RL VM so कलर भी चेंज कर देते हैं, इसको इटैलिक कर देते हैं. ओके, और यहाँ पर कुछ बॉर्डर शॉर्डर सा लगा देते हैं, थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगेगा. Now I am creating a form with this name, date of birth, address, and mobile. Okay. For this example, it is sufficient. Okay. What you will do? This is your predefined format. Okay. Now I want to create a template. What you will do? Click on File, then Save. Okay. Now whenever you save the file, what you have to do? So here the save as type will be as a template, Word template. So click on Word template. Okay. Now you can see the extension is changed. MS Word file extension is .docx, but the extension of template file is .dotx. Okay. Now save your temp. Okay. Now you can see rlvm.dotx. Okay. Oh, how can we create a new file using this templates? It's very simple. Okay. Close this file. Now I want to create the file using this template. Okay. So click on File. Okay. New. Okay. New from existing. Okay. Now what is the name of your template? That was RLVM. Okay. Click on RLVM and create new. Now you can see the form is open. You have to simple enter the data. For example, I am writing Ravi Sharma like this. Okay. Now date of birth 12/5/2020. You can write anything. Okay. Address Aligarh and mobile number. You can 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. Now save your file. Okay. Okay. Save. Now what you have seen? You see, whenever I use the template is open with a predefined format. There is no need to design the form again and again. Here I am entering the data, not designing the form. So this is the template. Okay. Now you will learn the second method, creating a template using existing template or installed template. Means यहाँ पर आपका एक template अब ऑलरेडी बना हुआ है. अब आपको उस template को यूज करके एक नया template क्रिएट करना. ओके. So it's very simple. So repeat the step. Click on File. Click on File. Click on New. Now we have already installed an existing template. Okay. Now I am click on Recent template. मुझे वो पुराना वाला मिल जाएगा. Okay. Now RLVM. We have already created RLVM, so click on it. Now, what you will do, I am doing little modification. For example, I want email ID also. Sorry, email ID. Okay, email ID and address. Email ID. After that, I need admission number also. So I write down admission number. Okay. So here I am using a recent template, or I am creating the new template using existing template. Okay. What you will do? Again, file and save as temp. Okay. Now give another new name, RLVM new. Save. So using this method, you can create new template using existing template. Okay, students. Enough for this session. Have a nice day. Be healthy. Be safe.